How to add your Medicare card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To utilize a digital edition of your Medicare card, it's possible by accessing it through either the Express Plus Medicare mobile app or by integrating it into your My Government app. To gain entry to the app, it's necessary to have Medicare online account connected to My Government. If these are not set up already, it's essential to establish them before downloading the app. For accessing your Medicare card within the Express Plus Medicare mobile app, adhere to these instructions. First, log in to the Express Plus Medicare mobile app and then tap on the card section found on the app's main screen. And for including your Medicare card in your My Government app, adhere to these steps. First, launch the My Government app and then navigate to the Wallet section from your app's home screen. Now, choose the option to add wallet and then proceed with the provided instructions. So this is how you can add your Medicare card to Apple Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.